Climate change is one of the most pressing issues facing our planet today. It refers to significant changes in global temperatures and weather patterns over time. While climate change is a natural phenomenon, scientific evidence shows that human activities have greatly accelerated its pace in recent decades. The primary cause of this rapid climate change is the greenhouse effect. This occurs when gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide trap heat in Earth's atmosphere, leading to a warming effect. These gases are primarily emitted through the burning of fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and gas, as well as through deforestation and industrial processes. One of the most noticeable impacts of climate change is the increase in global temperatures. This has led to the melting of polar ice caps and glaciers, resulting in rising sea levels. Coastal communities are especially vulnerable to these changes, facing the threat of flooding and erosion. Additionally, the warming climate has altered weather patterns, leading to more frequent and severe weather events like hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. These changes have far-reaching consequences for ecosystems and biodiversity. Many species are struggling to adapt to the rapidly changing conditions, leading to shifts in distribution, altered migration patterns, and even extinction for some. Coral reefs, for instance, are experiencing widespread bleaching due to warmer ocean temperatures, which impacts marine biodiversity and the livelihoods of people who depend on these ecosystems. Human communities are also significantly affected. Agriculture is particularly vulnerable as changing weather patterns and extreme events disrupt crop yields. This can lead to food insecurity, especially in regions that are already vulnerable. Moreover, the health impacts of climate change are becoming increasingly evident. Higher temperatures can exacerbate respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, while the spread of vector-borne diseases like malaria and dengue fever is influenced by changing climates. Addressing climate change requires a concerted global effort. Mitigation strategies include reducing greenhouse gas emissions by transitioning to renewable energy sources, improving energy efficiency, and reforestation. Adaptation measures are equally important to help communities build resilience against the impacts of climate change. This might involve building flood defenses, developing drought-resistant crops, and increasing public awareness and preparedness. In conclusion, climate change is a multifaceted challenge that demands immediate and sustained action. Its impacts are already being felt globally, and the window for effective mitigation is rapidly closing. By understanding the causes and consequences of climate change, and by committing to proactive strategies, we can work towards a more sustainable and resilient future for all.